Game ya leo naweza sema ndio tumeweza kucheza, tumejaribu in the first half, but naweza sema our plan haikuwork the way tulikuwa tumeplan. Congrats to KCB for winning the match. Sisi kama team tutaenda tu back to the drawing board so that tuweze kujipanga for the next season.
I think we had a very exciting season. We did very well. I think it's kudos to the boys. And again, I would like to thank our sponsors, Kenya Commercial Bank, for sponsoring the team. And let's hope that next season we'll come back even stronger. This is our first full season with the team, and I think the boys have done a very great job. So it's just coming back next season and making sure that we get good results.